Right, so at the moment I'm just on the double-decker bus. We're heading to we're on the Putney High Street at the moment. Yes. And also I just want to show you guys how the London double-decker bus look like.
37 2.
And if you can see, I'm the only one on the deck and nobody's down here, which is pretty amazing. Oh my god, that's very bumpy. Beautiful, right? It's beautiful. It's pretty amazing. We are currently in Putney. That's where we're heading towards to Clifton Road. Let me flip the camera so that I can show you Putney, and then we can continue vlogging. So if you're in London, there's a bus number 220 from Hammersmith. You can use that bus to get to Putney. And also there's a bus number, I believe is 337, 170 and 37. You can also get here, you can also get to the embassy using these buses. I'll show you guys the bus stop, and then if you're coming to London but you want to use the bus, probably take some pictures of London, this will be the perfect place. Right, I think the bus just stands, so I need to get off the bus and then find my way to the embassy. Right, so the place is located in Putney. Yeah, is it Putney? I think Wandsworth. I'll put it in the, yeah, I'll put the address in the description. I don't know, I can't pronounce the word. It's Wandsworth. Yeah, is that the right word? I'm not pronouncing it. I think I have some speech problem today. It's Wandsworth. That's where the place is. So let me just flip the camera to show you guys how beautiful this bridge looks like. Amazing, right? Beautiful. That's the building right there. And then here, once you finish the visa process, you can sit here, have a nice coffee. I believe a lot of people sit here and have a coffee, probably just enjoy the beautiful view of Wandsworth. Am I pronouncing it right, guys? Let's continue the vlog. All right, let's continue now. Right, so now I'm heading to the train station or the bus stop to get a bus to the other part of London. I don't know where yet, but you know, whatever this GoPro and land me, that's where you'll be seeing next. Right, so I'm heading to South Kensington right now, so hopefully we can get to Kensington, then continue the rest of the day. So where I am, I'm on the platform heading to central London, so let's get there.
The gap between the train and the platform.
I'll get there probably about a few more stops, and then we can continue this part of the vlog, right? Hey, I'm doing a video for a YouTube channel called GhanaFunTube. How are you guys doing today?
Good.
What's your name?
Sarai.
And you?
My name is Matt.
Matt, nice to meet you guys. So I want to ask you, can you tell my viewers something unique about London?
I think in London there's loads of different cultures,
Yeah.
so it's great because you can experience anything.
Yeah.
If you want to go have great Chinese food, there's Chinatown.
Yeah.
If you want to have, let's think like good Italian food, you can hit and go to Soho, and there's so many cool Italian restaurants.
Amazing.
So, Turkish food, you can go to Haringey Green Lanes, which is just full of Turkish restaurants. So I think it's good in London, you can experience any culture.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Mike, do you have any tip for the boys?
All right. I think opportunities in London. Yeah, you can do what you want. You know.
That's the thing. Yeah, that's.
Create your own path. Like, you know, meet new people. Like, you know, whatever, man. It's
All right, that's it, man. Thank you guys, man. So you heard them. You say there's a lot of opportunities in London. You heard? You say, look, Turkish food. I haven't tried that. I will probably be trying that this week. Thank you, guys.
South Kensington, change for the Piccadilly line, exit for the museums and Royal Albert Hall.
So we're currently on District Line. We're heading to South Kensington. So once I get there, I'll show you guys how the train station look like. So I got the train from East Putney, heading to, I believe, Central London. I'll show you guys. I'll put a description below. So stay with me. Let's enjoy this trip. Right, so I think I got on the wrong train, so I need to find my way now to head to South Kensington. All right, this is where I am right now. I need to find my way to South Kensington, Kensington High Street, because I got on the wrong train. I need to make sure I get to the right station.
My phone isn't working. I can't get my email or anything.
Oh, did you turn it off?
So I have no idea what time it is. So yeah, so it's Matthew's birthday. What is it, the 2nd? I think it's green. And it's no picture, you can't see it. You don't take your time. Huh?
I think I rush. I want to get to the place quick. I think that's the problem. That's a nice pub, Moss. Marlborough Head. That'll be a proper London pub, isn't it?
Because you know, if you just slow it down a little bit,
Yeah.
and like look around before you go, you'll get where you want to go a lot quicker than how you're getting there right now.
That's why I didn't do it. 7 down, so